welcome back to the Rock and See Homestead. My name's Lance. I want to welcome you to our channel. I got a question for you guys. Who loves to take down Christmas lights? Not this guy. I want the easy way. I want the lazy man's way. So I'm going to show you how to do it the lazy man's way. Well, the best part about taking down lights is you don't have to be super careful with them. At least the ones that we have. These are, I think they're C9, and I think they're LED lights. So this is just a big plastic cover, and there's no bulb in it. So if you take them down and they bump against something, it's not going to break like a normal old style light is. So, but the problem that you have is with this. See, you can pull them off pretty quick. But what's left behind? All those white little holders. So I could get up on the roof, pull one out, but there's an easier way. Let me show you what you got to have for it. So, super easy. You only need a couple things. This plastic little leaf rake works awesome for getting these things down. Then you just need a bucket to put them in. So you can store them. And depending on your roof and how tall it is, you may have to have a ladder at some point to get up there. But like from our house, only at the tips of the eaves on the gable ends really is where I need to do. Unfortunately, the good thing for me right now is I'm on a porch and I can reach all of these almost by hand. But I'll show you what to do here. So all you have to do is come up here and you just get it to where it's right in there and it comes right down. You may be able to get multiples. That's the hardest part. Now, the hardest part is actually picking them up. But if you had a little helper or a little kid or my son, that would be awesome. He can pick them up afterwards and you can just knock it out. But I'm going to have to go back around and pick them up. Or if not, my dogs would chew on them and eat them and all those other fun stuff. But let me show you how this works as we go along here and see how quick we can get it done. All right, sometimes, if you're lucky, gravity will just do the work for you. And this is when you're going to need the ladder to get the rest of them. All right, before I get the ladder, I'll get the lights at least pulled down, then I get the ladder set up and get the little hook things off. So now all we have to do is go pick up these little plastic pieces. Hey, you want to be my helper? How about you? Can you put that in your mouth and put it in the box? No, don't lick me. How about that? No? No good for anything other than some face licking. Come on. No? I'll give you an extra treat. No? What can you do? Man, I tell you, good help is hard to find, let me tell you. Well guys, we got it all wrapped up And if you've been like me, unfortunately I've been sick and been a little bit under the weather, so I haven't been able to get the Christmas lights down. It's about the end of January now. But if you're just running behind or whatever the case is, hopefully this helps you out. Maybe it will speed you up getting yours down as well. But if not, take this lesson into next year and hopefully it'll help you out. Hey, if you made it this far, we do appreciate you coming over and watching the channel. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, hey, there's a little red button down here. You can click subscribe. Give us a big thumbs up. Leave a comment. And we'll catch you on the next one.